We divide 937 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 3 and it is 13. So 2 times 6 is 12. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 7 and it is 17. So 2 times 8 is 16. On subtracting we get 1. So now there is no number to put it down. So we take here decimal and we can put here 0. So now it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 937 divided by 2 is 468 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.